Our zonal member person.
Maharagang welcome lang po sila. Kami drill welcome pada ating community club.
Pendant sungal lut no rating, ay ring pa song rirang kinahong ta. Vaino kalau tinong rating, Bubagra long live, Bubagra long live, Bubagra long live, Bubagra Adam Sordasang, Bubagra Adam Sordasang, Bubagra Adam Sordasang, Bubagra ayong loktan, Bubagra ayong loktan. Kinong toret di pamna. The side pigs okay ha, pamna ay kutha pa kering tirete. Atun ay MLA ng local rating, street pathalang jamatya ng local no rating. MDC ng local no rating atun sa daganang low head rating. Sodagar Koloirang Lope no rating. Ay Kaiping Rai Dharmaras Kaiping Rai Rangkong Lope no ganti. Pamaong atun ha Tintel Lightning Enya Topic Pamaong
वहाँ क्यों बैठेगा यार? हमको एक कुर्सी दे दो, हम यहाँ पे। हम यहाँ में नहीं बैठेगा रे, हम यहाँ में बैठेगा।
Candle lightning. Ay gulo benditing. Candle lightning ang ting Mumbati ani honggo pano. Bakay lo pama. Manim ngay ha nan mobile nan lo eltil thai iring jangmak. Nan mobile flashlight nan ngay ha.
कितना होगा काइपिंग का?
Bubagra asumna elrinta asumna ha gamu रही हना रोई रही थी अंशु
लोग दल का मेंबर कहाँ गए? आरएनडी का
I was told that it is getting late, but I wanted to be here with you. And is there any Priya? इसके बाद कोई program है? Program है? There is program? Culture. So I don't want to leave this village now.
Hello.
मैं इस गांव को छोड़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ. I want to be in this village. I want to see the cultural program. You want to translate?
Irenpa itiha cultural dance ne amate tirinin hima monhi atharang tunom khai ming ati serang nom khai ming am nokrang ki nom ati lo enrang rin nan phak mo.
Somebody told me today, Ringpa, come for 2 minutes and then go. I said no. I want to come to the Kaipeng village and spend at least 1 hour or 2 hours with my Kaipeng people.
Lu ka marin kay rilatia 2 minute ring kay lilaw hong mangpuira ating. Hankom, ay ring pa ay ni dit rinin at dit ramurang kin. 2 minutes ring am naning ate. Am kiti program han ni hong mangpui kiti hong kiti ni law tipeka. Zang mo pa ma am ay ring pa ha zang may ni ate. Nan pa mo unaw ngay.
Rengpa believes in Thansa. You call it Munkhat. Because in the end, Kamal Koloi, Pathan, Lal Jamatia, or Omnik Kaipeng. We call it Bukungbara, you call it Narbung, but we are all brothers and sisters. So, Munkhat, you don't have to explain, I will say that. Munkhat, Thansa, for the community is more important than Munkhat in politics. I don't believe in politics. I believe in community, Dopha. And for me, Kaipeng may be only 10,000 people. But you are a part of our Tiprasa culture. Pathien is one. And if Kaipeng, Jamatia, Koloi, Deb Burma, all the Tiprasas become one, Munkhat, then one day in our own land we will rule our state of Tripura.
Now ngay, mungkin ay sang nung dasang may zara titinatak so.
We are first Tiprasa, we are Bukungbara or Narbung. We are not going to be divided as Kaipeng, Jamatia, Koloi. We are not going to be divided as Hindu or Christian. We are the son of the soil, Hani Busa. And as the son of the soil, I will always respect you and your people.
Ini ngay ha, narbong ngay. Bukong para tinaha imo, narbong ngay. Ini ngay ha, aturing hima ay mun. Ay ha, ay zaka ha, ay nisut hay na ngay. Nikal nika ha, ay ringkin, munkhat na tsangrayti ay nilaw tipeka.
We may be Hindus or Christians, but first we are the indigenous people of Tripura.
Hindu kom tsangrayti, Christian kom tsangrayti. Han kom, ay ni ngay ha. Indigenous people of Tripura ay ta, ay nam hay atang.
And the day we become one, we will win.
Munkhat ay chang nung ni kala ni kahi nam tumte ay chang khom la radray te tinin ay nilaw real pig.
Because we did not have Munkhat. You agree? Because we did not have Munkhat, we are suffering. But today we must have Munkhat, because we have to worry about your generation, the next generation of our people.
Munkhat ay chang magrinin avani ha ireng la chukmen. Munkhat ay chang kaleha ay ni adang dang lardom raiti adang generation ay now ay tu ay te an generation ha anung la lin raiti munkhat ay chang nung hi.
My Samajpati, the headman, the head of the Kaipeng community, I want to honor him today by giving a seng. This has been a tradition that my grandfather, his father, or my ancestors have been doing, and I want to continue this tradition.
Avani ha ay ring pa iti kadin ay rai rang ha seng khanday ha lope ati hamaha malayata kapungay tsungata an lope grinin Kay bakon zay hama lau zui rang kin kalau no malau ti hamari nin ay kay ping rai rang ha seng lau pe ati atun khandai lau pe ati.
My grandfather Maharaja Bir Bikram used to do this for 50-60 years. We have not done it, but I am starting this tradition of honoring our Rai.
Ay Maharaja Apu Bir Bikram lau pe grinin hamakom atun ay Maharaja ha continue lau sangati. Khandai ape kele hai rankin lau pau rai ti. And rohi mahi ay ring pa ni lau pe khandai ni lau pe hi pa ko phama oma.
And finally, we say, Kamal aapne bola Tiprasa Ayuk Lokthong, but in typing language, because we have to honor every language, right? We have to respect every language, whether it is Kaipeng, Molsom, Rangkhol, Chorai, Ranglong, we have to respect every language.
Respect inian murang naha. Respect inian murang naha ay chungin kay ping chungin halaw thurang anom brinin atun ay ring pa ha. Adam sod rasa ay ni law ti pegati ay ni ngay law ti raiti.
So, Kamal Koloy, aapne bola Ayuk Lokthong, but I know in Kaiping language it is called Adam Sodasa.
Law ti raiti.
Kaiping community Adam Dosa. Kaiping community Adam Sodasa. No, थोड़ा जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा.
Ring ti raiti una way.
Kaiping community Adam Sodasa. Adam Sodasa. See, this is called Munkhat. I learned Adam Sodasa. You all are saying Ayuk Lokthong. That is the spirit of Narbung, Bukungbara, Hani Pusa, the son of the soil. I love you. What do you say? I love you in. Nani Kidi, I love you. And Rengpa will always fight for you. I don't want anything. I am going to be with you and I will stand with you. God bless you. Do you all say John Hai also? John Hai, John Hai. Good night, good night.